Hello guys, it is Brittany here and welcome back to my Color Guard YouTube channel. Today I have another flag tossing tutorial for you guys. If you're a little newer to the world of Color Guard or have just never heard of this toss, today I'm going to teach you how to do a cross toss and a couple variations on the cross toss. So if you want to know how to do that toss, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so step number one when you want to do a cross toss is you're going to want to have your flag on your right side. This is my right side. You want to have your right hand palm down to the floor, grabbing on that tab. You're going to want your left hand to be palm up to the sky underneath your flag. And if you have third tapes, it's going to go on this bottom third. Sorry, I do not have third tapes on this flag. But this is going to be your starting position for a basic cross toss. What you're going to want to do next is to do the actual crossing motion. So how you're going to do that is your right hand is going to go down to the floor, and then it's going to hook up. You're going to keep that left hand on there, and you'll get to this cross position. This cross position is super important because this is actually going to be your release point. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but with a cross toss, this is how we get the cross in the cross toss. So once again, we're going to start here, and I'm going to go down cross. It's important that I get my flag up to this angle, because like I talked about in previous flag tossing videos, that angle is where we're going to release most of our tosses in order for it to go up in the air. If I only cross to here, my toss is just going to go that way, and if I cross to only like here, my flag's just going to go straight into the floor and definitely not into the air. So on to our next part of our toss. So from here, I did my release point, down cross, made sure my flag got up to here. At this point, I'm just going to open both of my hands, and I'm going to let my flag rotate. We're going to do the small cross toss first. We're going to do a couple rotation variations, but I'm going to go cross, uncross for the catch. Okay, so let me show you what that looks like. And 5, and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, uncross, catch. There is a million different ways to catch a cross toss. When I teach it, I catch about splitting and splitting, or sometimes third and splitting, just because when you do this half rotation, that's roughly where your hands will land without making it awkward to readjust to the other side of the pole. Now let's talk about the single version. Single version, we're going to start the same way, flag to the right. I'm going to cross, but I'm going to cross and bring my release point a little higher. It might feel awkward at first, but that's how we get that extra little bit of rotation. For it to be a single, my flag's going to end up back on the same side I'm starting on. Here's what it looks like. And 5, and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, uncross, catch. And if you're feeling a little ambitious, there's also a single and a half version. It's going to start the same exact way. You can add a little prep if you feel like you need to for extra momentum, but we're going to start same place on the flag. You're going to still do that same cross. We're just going to lift it up a little higher, so that way we can get that proper rotation, and it should end up flag opposite way that you start, because it's going to be a single plus a half rotation. Here's what it looks like. And 5, and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, uncross, catch. Alright guys, that is going to do it for today's video. Remember, if you have any suggestions for future videos or things that you are struggling on, I would love to help you guys out. So please feel free to leave a comment of anything I can help you with. And if you have any questions about anything I talked about in this video, also feel free to leave a comment. That's all for me. Keep spinning. Have a great day. Bye.